So hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. It's Swati. If you are watching me for the first time, so please take a moment to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for the another videos notification. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. So today I am here with one bad news for all ground staff aspirant who want to be a ground staff. So and I promise that I will share one good news too with you all, that you will get your job in aviation industry. So without wasting our time, so let's start the main topic. What is the bad news? Because a bad news is important for you all. Like, you also watched my previous video. If you didn't watch, please go and check and please watch that, then you will understand this video completely. So the reason is that I'm making this video is where I was working. Like, you all know the Chelby or Selby, whatever you want to call that. It's according their pronunciation of the different countries, but in my situation it's Chelby. So in this the company, which is a Turkish company, not an Indian company or another foreigner company, this is an Indian company. Sorry, it's a Turkish company which is handling a different airlines, most in Delhi, mostly international airlines, but in Delhi airport and some other airports where we all know how the Indian and Pakistan wars and everything, we are aware about that. So these are the reasons we are boycotting every Turkish company's brand, everything. So this is the reason the Chelby company is banned in India, in some states, especially if I am talking about Delhi. So it's ban. So, or for those employees who are part of the Chelby right now, they are transferred in a different different third party companies like Air India, SETS and BWFS. So the opportunity for you that Chelby is like close for you. So this is one of the bad news which I am I am telling you right now. So this is a one bad news, yeah. And the second good news which I want to tell you, that another third party company will come and they will hire for you and they will work for a different airline. So you will get this opportunity after some time, but right now I'm here with the vacancies also. So guys, Akasa Airline is hiring in Bangalore, Kolkata. Currently I think it's hiring in Bangalore, so please go and apply. It's invitation based interview. For the second one, the Indigo Airline is hiring a pan India, everywhere in India. Please go and check their website, location, timing, document, every process you have to check first. And the third one is Emirates Airline, the interview on 5th June, and it is also an invitation based. If you want to be a crew in international airlines, so please go and check the website, apply there. If there is some eligibility criteria, you have 221 at least, you have to clear your 12th, and you have a 1 year of experience in customer service, then you are eligible to apply that and you go for the you will get the invitation. So this is all the information about that. If I get a more information, then I will share in this video. And I wanna tell you that I'm so sorry, because I'm not posting a video before since few weeks or months, because I have an exam, so I was preparing for that. But yeah, now it's for you guys. Please like, subscribe my channel and don't forget to share. Thank you, bye bye.